In this video, I will guide you on how to use the size chart guide on Temu. First, launch open the Temu app on your device, or you can open up any web browser and go to temu.com. Now make sure to log into your account. After that, tap on the search bar and search for the item that you want to purchase. Now go ahead and find the product that you want to buy, then tap on it. Now scroll down and find the option of size guide. Go ahead and select this. The first thing you can do here is switch between inches and centimeter. Next, you have the size displayed option. From here, you can select the standard EU, UK or US. Next, you want to select the size. You have small, medium, large, extra large and double XL. Scroll down and you're going to find the option of body charts and product charts. From here, you can compare your measurement with the chart to find the best size for you. Once you have selected the right size, you can head back. Now on the product page, choose the size and continue with your purchase. In this way, you can use the Temu Size Chart guide. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.